sure we stay seated at all times, keeping your hands, arms, legs, and your feet inside the boat. Parents supervise your children because we're clear. Let's get out of here. I'm going to turn around and wave those nice people out there. Yeah, you're never going to see them again. To be fair, you've never seen them before. Maybe it's not a big long... Oh, who are these people? Goodbye, everyone. I don't know who they are. They love waving at boats, though. You know, we all have our hobbies. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all ages, welcome aboard the one and only, the world-famous Jungle Cruise. Yes, I'm excited, too. We're actually famous around the world for being world-famous. My name is Skipper Brian. Yes, first name Skipper, last name Brian. I'm going to be your adventure guide. I'll also be your lion tamer, your snake charmer, your gorilla wrestler, and if you forget to laugh at my jokes, I'm probably going to be your swimming instructor. It's a joke! I don't know how to swim. Now we start our journey greeted by the queens of the jungle. These are Amazonian mallards. You're going the wrong way! Oh, you can't train a duck. But over here, one of my favorite sights. Have you ever seen anything quite as enchanting as Inspiration Falls? Ooh, what a beauty. Now, you might be curious why we call it Inspiration Falls. Just look at it. Go ahead, look at it. If you stare at that rushing water for too long, it's probably going to inspire you to go. Yeah, that's my number one joke. We're going to change course, change continent too. This is now the Congo River in the deepest, darkest heart of Africa. And I hope you like danger and thrills and excitement because look, that's the Jungle Book. Now we spared no expense. We're also throwing you a big welcoming party right up here. Let's turn around and everyone say, oh no. I think your party was canceled. I don't see anyone. Canoe. I know, I hate it when a party gets canceled. Something must have happened. Oh no. This snake probably scared everybody away. And that has got to be a python. Look at the size of it. Of course, it's not a boa. Boas have feathers. Yes. I learned that in Las Vegas. All right, let's see what's next. Oh, gosh. Look at this monkey business. Not very appealing. We better split. And that is one terrible parking job. Look, they left the lights on. Yeah, I'm going to have to call AAA, right? It's not like I have a monkey wrench. Oh, well. That's adventure, boy. We're going to cruise on down to the Nile River. As you know, the Nile is the longest river in all of the world. Some say it goes on for Niles and Niles and Niles and more ducks. Yes, these are Nile mallards now. Also very dangerous. Watch out, we're about to suffer a quack attack. Hello there, hello there. Now, of course, right behind the ducks, the wonderful, wonderful African bull elephants. They do tricks. That one speaks, this one, stay! He's so talented, right? It's like he's nailed to the ground. All right, what else we got? Up here in the front, oh, one of my favorites is these weird-looking goat zebra things. Behind them, the long-necked cheetah. 67 Impala. And my favorite, these lions over here. Everyone loves our lions. We're quite proud of them. Look at the way they protect us, sleeping zebra. I mean, he must be dead tired. Dead tired. Probably need to let him rest in peace. What else we got out here? Oh, my. Oh, these guys. Yeah, don't feel bad for these guys. I warned them that this was going to happen. I said, guys, you're never going to win a foot race with an African rhinoceros. But hey, what do I know? Yeah, joke's on them, right? They'll get the point. In the end. Hey, that's my friend Ina. Everyone say, hi, Ina! Hi, Now, up ahead is our crown jewel, ladies and gentlemen, the historic waterfall, better known as Schweitzer Falls. Yes, Schweitzer Falls, named after famed scientist Dr. Albert Falls, actually. There's more to it. We'll go over it later. Right now, we're going to try and go around. This thing's everyone batten down the hatches, find your seatbelts, and lean to the right. Lean to the right, everybody. Shift all of your weight to the starboard side. It's going to be close. Hold on to the back. Trust me, I have no idea what I'm doing. Oh, it's going to be close. All English people, they're in tremendous peril. Hold on, lean. We're not going to make it. Oh, we made it. Now, over here on the right, that's my house right there. Nice. Yeah. A lot of people say it's a little plain. I don't know, I got it for half off. What's this now? Oh, we made a wrong turn somewhere. This is the den of the African hippo. Watch out, they're very dangerous. Yeah, I'm looking at you, Steve. If they charge our boat, we're in trouble. We only accept cash. Just last week, they took down 6 of our boats. I know, because 5 of them were mine. Yeah, I called them a bunch of hypocrites. They didn't enjoy that wordplay. We're going to sneak on out of here, but we are not out of the woods yet. There are trees everywhere. Now, we're taking a shortcut here through headhunter territory. Don't let the name fool you. It's a lovely place to be headed. Now, it looks like they're planning something. This dance can tell us one of 2 things. They're either planning an ambush, or they lost the key to the men's room. Either way, we should get out of town. I've got a bad feeling about this. Oh, no! It's an ambush! Get down! Oh, no. They're loaded. If they throw a spear, throw it back. You're holding your spear backwards! We gotta get out of here. There's only one way out. It's underneath the waterfall. Everyone hold your breath. We're going underwater. Don't worry about looking silly. That's my job. Ladies and gentlemen, the backside of water! Ah, yes, the backside of water. More commonly known as O2H. I do tell chemistry jokes periodically. Alright, changing gears. We find ourselves on the mighty Mekong River. Now ahead a forbidden temple guarded by the fiercest creature in all of the jungle, the Cambodian mallard. It's like we have one in every seed. It is a jungle out here. Now I have to warn you, this might be quite painful for all of us. I mean, just look. This is very clearly a root canal. Good luck. Everybody say hi, Sam.
Hi, Sam.
Now, good old Sam is our head salesman in the jungle. Sadly, his sales are shrinking. Turns out it's a really cutthroat business. Now, he's running a deal today. He's going to cut you a bargain. He's offering you 2 of his heads for one of yours. And he volunteers. Not a bad deal. I mean, any way you cut it, you're going to come out ahead. All right, adventurers, as we approach the dock, make sure you stay seated for me, keeping your hands, arms, legs, and feet inside of the boat. Especially watch your elbows and hands on this side, all right? We can't afford to dead the dock. There are 2 docks. Look, one on the left, one on the right. That might confuse you. We just call it a paradox. Now, out of all the crews I've ever had, you've definitely been... No, you guys have been outstanding today. An outstanding crew, but I do need you outstanding. On the dock, welcome back. You survived the jungle cruise. What an adventure. Welcome back.